गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, आज हम जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के ग्राफ्स डिस्कस करेंगे। सपोज हमें एक रिएक्शन दी हुई है, रिएक्टेंट ए गिव्स प्रोडक्ट बी एंड दिस इज ए जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। तो इसका जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन वी कैन राइट एज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू से माइनस डी ए बाई डी टी, which can be written as dB by dt, that is rate of appearance of product, and this is K into concentration of A की power 0, that is equal to K. That means rate is equal to K. We can say for zero order reaction. तो K की यूनिट क्या हो जाएगी? That will be moles per liter second. Okay, the same unit as that of rate. अब हम इसके लिए जो इंटीग्रेटेड रेट ला है जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए, that is इंटीग्रेटेड रेट ला, that is concentration of A at any time t equal to A naught, that is initial concentration of A minus KT, where K is the rate constant. तो ये इंटीग्रेटेड ला है। ओके, और अगर हम concentration of B at any time t देखें, so what will be? It will be equal to KT, because जितना A डिसोसिएट होगा या जितना A डिसअपियर होगा उतना ही B अपीयर होगा। तो जो concentration of A is reduced by KT in time t, so that will be the increase in concentration of B in time t. So this is the concentration of B is given by KT. ओके, तो अब हम इस पे डिफरेंट ग्राफ ड्रा करेंगे, और अगर हाफ लाइफ देखें हम T हाफ ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू A नॉट अपॉन 2K. ओके, सो अभी हम इसके ग्राफ्स ड्रा करेंगे। सो यू नोट डाउन दिस रिलेशंस फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. सो फर्स्ट विल बी rate of reaction versus time t. It will be like this. Then rate of reaction versus concentration of A, that will be also like this, because it does not depend on the concentration of A, because rate is equal to K, where K is the rate constant. अगर हम concentration of A versus time draw करें, then it will be like this, because it's given by A equal to A naught minus KT. So this is like y equal to mx plus c, where the slope is equal to minus k and y intercept is A naught. So this is the curve. Suppose we are given this angle theta as 45 degree and we are asked what is the rate constant. Then we can say that slope of this line is tan 135 degree, because this angle will be 135 degree when theta is 45 degree. So this will be minus 1 and slope equal to minus k. So we can say that minus k equal to minus 1, that means k equal to 1. तो इस तरह से हम इसका slope निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, then if I want to draw concentration of product B versus time t, then it will be a straight line. Okay, because concentration of B is given by KT, so its slope will be equal to K. Okay, so this tan theta will be equal to K. So that is how we can draw these graphs for all these zero order reaction. With this, I complete this session. Thank you.